I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to remove a Netflix profile lock pin using the Netflix mobile app. Step 1. Open the Netflix mobile app on your iPhone, iPad, or Android device, and then tap your profile icon in the menu on this screen. You'll land on the My Netflix screen. Step 2. Tap the menu icon. A menu pops up. Step 3. Tap Manage Profiles. Step 4. Tap to choose the profile you want to lock someone out of. The Edit Profile screen for that profile is displayed. Step 5. Tap Profile Lock. Step 6. Tap Delete Profile Lock on the next screen. A window pops up asking if you're sure you want to delete this profile lock. Step 7. Tap Yes. You'll see a note that profile lock has been deleted, and it will no longer be required to access this Netflix profile. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.